From the Global News Weather Center, I'm Chief Meteorologist Anthony Farnell, tracking a major storm that is now developing in Texas. Severe weather, including a tornado outbreak here, but all of that energy and moisture is lifting up to the north, and at the same time, there's some very cold air in Western Canada. That cold is going to interact with this front that's in place, and we are going to see a major rain event and the potential for a major ice storm, at least in some parts of southern Ontario. Let's go now hour by hour. We have warm air in place for Friday night into the morning hours on Saturday as that heavy rain begins. And then we start to see that pink area. This is icing, and it starts to creep south. Now, cold air, it's very shallow initially, and it's very dense, so it goes underneath that warm air that's been in place. When you get cold at the surface and warm up above, you look for freezing rain and ice pellets, and that's just what we're expecting. North of Toronto, Barrie, Muskoka, snow even a possibility by late Saturday night, and it continues even into early Sunday morning. At this point, widespread power outages are likely, especially in areas a little bit higher up in elevation. So Halton Hills up towards Caledon, Orangeville, Mount Forest, Shelburne, the Bruce Peninsula. Rainfall warning. So rain is a big concern for flooding. Winter storm watch up towards the Nickel Belt. But more than just the flooding, it's the freezing rain potential. And now we're starting to see these warnings populate from Environment Canada. I do expect them to expand as we move ahead in time. 70 to 90 millimeters of mostly rain in the GTA. That is, about January and February's total combined in a typical year. And we're going to see that in one day. So flooding a concern. And then here's your ice potential. Upwards of 20 millimeters of ice accretion, and that is going to cause widespread power outages, especially late Saturday into Sunday. That's the very latest on the storm. We'll keep you updated throughout the weekend at globalnews.ca.